my channel. My name is Elysia English. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We are doing an epic transformation of our entire upstairs. Both my boys' bedrooms are up here. We're doing an interior salt water tank built in, California style walk-in closets, an awesome mural on the bedroom walls, and a whole bathroom makeover all in one series. Crazy, I know, right? And this is seemingly like the flooring that never ends. I was singing a little song this morning like, this is the floor that never ends. I will not stick that in your head, I promise. But today, we are going to try to get the rest of the flooring done. We've gone from Dayton's room, we're working our way through the closet into Chase's room because we have an epic build to start in Chase's bedroom. If you missed yesterday's video, catch up with this series. We built an amazing hideaway tent bed in Dayton's room. They both slept in it last night. They had a great night's sleep. It was so much fun. They've been hanging out in it all day today. So we want to get building Chase's bed. So we got a lot of work to do. Come along, follow, and let's go.
Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
Door jams suck. So luckily Philip was able to cut up the door jams so that we could actually have the flooring slide underneath, which means that we're not cutting around it, we're cutting so it's underneath and it's gonna look really tidy. We did the other ones, but they're pretty annoying to cut them, but that's okay. So we're just using an X-Acto knife in the middle square and not letting it slide.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now.
Look at you, little key.
Oh, what a tough life you have. Is it all worth watching you lay the flooring, buddy? He has decided that he likes Chase's chair from the game room.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a happy boy, relax.
Helicopter.
Hi.
It's tough to get any work done. Pull deer out. I want to see how long deer is hanging over. Oh, there it is.
He likes the breeze coming in the window. Yeah.
Good job, hon. Oh, now are my measurements correct?
At least if it's a fail, it's not my fault. I only did the cutting.
No, it's definitely my fault. I'll take the blame for it. It might be backwards, I don't know.
Come on, Mom. Go push it in.
Oh, great. Great hit.
Good job, honey.
Today we're eating a hoof. Stay tuned for tomorrow where we'll be testing out barbecue pig ears. Ciao!
Wow, that's good, eh, honey? Come here.
Hey,
Hey,
Hey.
sister.
hey,
He's like, no.
hey!
Dad,
Hi,
leave me alone,
hi,
Dad.
hi, buddy.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna show you to family. Say hi. You can help us build the floor today. Yeah. Hi. You like your new, oh, that toothbrush. Thanks for that. Gunnar is just chilling out with us today while we lay the flooring. It is a gorgeous day. He's been laying in the chair in front of the window today. We walked with the boys this morning to the feed shop that we have in our town, Dixon's Feeds. It's a great feed shop where we pick up some treats and bones and just different things for the pups. So the girls are enjoying them out there, and Denny's up here doing some work with us, and he has decided that he quite likes Dayton's new tent bed. So it's a 10 out of 10 rating across the board, I think, for everyone. You like the new tent bed? Say hi to your family. He's so relaxed. He's like, I'll just stay here while you work.
Well,
Hi. Can you help me lay the floor? Yeah. Puppy install.
yeah.
He's like, oh God, sit down.
Yeah, in Gunner's head right now, he's going, wow, yeah! This is excited mode.
He is super excited actually with all things upstairs because there's so many new smells.
Yeah.
Right? let my mom do with me whatever I want. I just went downstairs to take the dogs out for a washroom break, and it's a gorgeous day, only to find a surprise box that I have no idea what it is, but it says Home Hardware on the box. I actually have a Home Hardware box already that I was keeping that came some of our faucets that we actually ordered for our bathroom. But I did not order this, so this is a complete surprise. I have no clue what this is. I'm thinking they sent me something, but I don't know why or didn't know it was coming. So this is super fun. I love surprises.
This is amazing.
It just says Home Hardware Stores, St. Jacobs, Ontario. Doesn't say from who or anything. Maybe there'll be something inside. It's heavy though.
Oh, Gunnar wants to see.
You see? What is it?
What's in there?
Help me. Ready?
He's
Your
excited.
nose.
Yeah.
Use your nose. What is it? Inside the box is some little Christmas berries, holly berries. I'm assuming this is a card of some kind, so I'm gonna try to get that out. It's so pretty. Whoever packaged this is amazing. Here's how to have a happy holiday. I think it's not a calendar, like a season guide. It's super cute. A lot of kitchenwares that I need for Christmas. Add those to the list. This is so fun. You get to open it. Oh, it's like a box in a box. Is it a box in a box in a box in a box?
That would be.
Karma could come back to get me because I've done that to the kids before. I know you really want this, but it's just plastic. Honey. Helping. You're a good helper. It's another Home Hardware box. Look.
Yes!
Box in a box.
Oh my
Maybe
gosh!
it is a box in a box in a box. I literally have done that to the kids before, so this really could be karma. That's funny. If it's another box, I'm gonna die laughing. It's not a box. It has my name on a little card. Note from home. We thoroughly enjoyed working with you in 2020 and seeing the great content you created. To show our appreciation, we are gifting you with goodies to kick off the holiday season. We wish you all the best for 2021. Sincerely, Home Hardware social media team. Oh, and there's some gift cards and a paint card inside. You guys are the best. They're gonna make me cry. I don't even care what's in the box. It's just so nice that they thought of me. Beautiful throw blanket. Oh, you have wood, you. Mom. Oh, and a beautiful colored tumbler, stainless steel double wall tumbler.
Jenna's really liking this.
Corningware mug with plastic cover. Ooh, that is so nice. I just saw this on the Home Hardware website, and that was the corner one.
That's amazing!
And a
I
socket
want that!
shelf Ultra YouTube family. Check these out. They're so cool. I saw them on the website, and I thought I need to add that to my Christmas list, but that's so fun. Stainless steel measuring cups.
Oh, those are gorgeous.
We do lots of baking in our house, so that's awesome. Oh, cake pan.
It's going to make cake.
Himalayan salt lamp. So fun. My favorite glue. Wood glue. Paint brushes. Ooh, white LED battery lights. We were just saying we need to get some this morning. So fun. Paintbrush. And a froth and brew Chefman. Oh, that's so awesome.
Oh my god, I can't wait to try that
Spoiled
out.
me. Thank you, Home Hardware. You guys are the best. I equally had the best year of 2020 thanks to you guys. So thank you so much. We love you. YouTube family, this is not a sponsored post. This was literally a surprise package on my front lawn. And you guys know that I already love Home Hardware with or without gifts. This is just something super thoughtful. So Home Hardware, thank you for thinking of me and for always thinking of our family when you guys have awesome campaigns. I'm gonna stop talking so that I don't cry, but let's continue with today's video. Thanks, Home Hardware.
Thanks, Home Hardware.
It's so fun.
Wow, it's so clean through.
Coming along.
And the closet?
Closet done.
I love that there's no transition scripts and it's just
None.
really nice. I just, you know, the kids are gonna get up in the morning and they're gonna get changed and their clothes are gonna be in the fish tank.
Chase, hear that? Your clothes are gonna be wet waiting for you in the fish tank every morning.
They're gonna be singing SpongeBob SquarePants. This is why we only got half of the bedroom done today.
You know what? Like, I'm sorry, not sorry. He's just nuzzling me.
I know, he's like, no more banging.
Why? You don't want me to make any more noise?
We got finished.
He's trying to lay down. Oh, feelings mutual, buddy. Feelings mutual. Not bad for a day's work and puppy cuddles in between. But I'm really happy that we got just over, oh, you're happy too? I'm happy that we got about almost 2/3 of Chase's room done. We also got the closet completely done and some of the hallway. So we have about 1/3 of his bedroom to finish tonight and then into the bathroom so that you guys can see all of the flooring and the whole upstairs completed for tomorrow's video. We are also going to be building Chase's epic bed, and no one yet has guessed what we're actually building his bed like. So many comments in the last couple of videos. It is not a cabin. It is not made out of wood logs. It's something completely different. So you guys have not guessed yet. Not a boat. So many guesses. You guys have had some really creative guesses, but none of them are it yet. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video because Chase is actually going to help build his epic bed that's going to go in this space. I'm so excited. Remember, fishing theme is the look for his room. So if you have any more comments, suggestions, leave them down below. You got till tomorrow to make a final guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the floor. Anything that you guys want to mention about what we've done so far in this series. Thanks so much for being part of my family transforming this space. I love you and I will see you tomorrow.